Hello friend, today I am going to start the one of the topic of animal kingdom. So it is a one short program, one quick revision program for 2020 or upcoming NEET examination, which is held in 13th September 2020. So it is a one short program. So today the lecture is related to the animal kingdom. So we have to develop or we have to produce the 7th lecture quick short program. So first is animal kingdom, second lecture would be human physiology, third one human reproduction, fourth one biotechnology, fifth one human disease, and sixth one related to the organic evolution. So one by one start. So today one short program, one short lectures of animal kingdom. So now we are going to start the animal kingdom. So animal kingdom, so it is come under the Animalia group. So animalias are multicellular and eukaryotic, lack cell wall, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, aerobic respiration. Generally few animals possess anaerobic, and it possesses both asexual and sexual reproduction. So now we start the what is the basis of classification. So basis of classification are: first, grade of organization, animal body plan, body symmetry, germ layer, coelom, segmentation, notochord. So one by one we discuss the basis of class. So first is grade of organization. So animal come under the grades. There are cellular grade, tissue, organ and organ system. In cellular grade, so cells are divided to produce different kinds of cells only. In tissue grade, cells divide to produce tissues and layer, and then tissues to form organ and organ system. So in cellular grades, porifera are present. In tissue, coelenterata, ctenophora are present. Organ grade, only platyhelminths phylum present, and organ system start from Aschelminth onward to Chordata phylum. So this is a grade of organization. Second one is animal body plan. So animal body plan is nothing, it is just arrangement of the body. There are three type of animal body plan: loose aggregate, blind sac, and tube within. In loose aggregate, there is the loosely arranged those cells, loosely, so there is no proper structure of the body. In blind sac body plan, only one opening and sac like a structure is present, and tube within tube body plan which having two opening, one anterior opening is mouth and another opening leads into the anus. So loose aggregate body plan come in porifera, blind sac, coelenterata and ctenophora, as well also platyhelminths, and tube within tube body plan start onward from Aschelminth to Chordata. And third one is body symmetry. So there are three type of symmetry: asymmetry, radial symmetry, and bilateral. Asymmetry, there is no symmetry, there is no division of the body into two equal half. But in radial symmetry, which is passes through the any axis, which is passing through the central axis, so it might be the vertical, horizontal, diagonal. So it divide into two equal half part. So in bilateral symmetry, so it is passing through the only one plane, which is passing through the median axis, and divide to two right and left halves. So this is all about body symmetry. Third one is germ layer. So germ layer is germ layer formed during the earlier embryonic development. It is ectoderm, meso and endoderm. So three germ layer called triploblastic, two germ layer having ecto and endo only is come under diploblastic. So diploblastic animals are porifera, coelenterata, ctenophora, and triploplastics start from platyhelminths onward to Chordata. And third one, next, coelom. Coelom, I think it is a body cavity. So which is body cavity formed between body wall and gut wall. So acoelom pseudocoelom, eucoelom. In acoelom, there is no coelom, no body cavity, true body cavity. So, mainly body cavity arises from the expansion of the mesoderm. In pseudocoelom, mesoderm form a pouch-like structure, but not form the lining. So, it and eucoelom, so true coelom is present, which is lining of the mesoderm, and it is differentiated two part, pseudocoelom and heterocoelom. Pseudocoelom is the split coelom developed by the splitting of mesoderm, and coelom developed by the splitting of archenteron. So, this is acoelom come under the platyhelminths, pseudo escalmin, eucoelom start from annelida till chordata, and pseudocoelom contain annelida, arthropoda and mollusca. Entocoelom start from echinodermata to chordata. Next, complex body organ. It is a body organ systems having incomplete and complete body system like digestive system, reproductive system and respiratory system, might be respiratory system or circulatory system. Next one is segmentation, body divided into many segments. So, there is the metamerism, so linear series of segmentation. Segmentation may be both external as well as internal. So, in Annelida, external as well as internal segmentation. So, in mammalia like human is internal segmentation. Notochord, so notochord is the when the notochord present, it shows chordata, and notochord absent, it shows non-chordata. So, notochord is the tubular flexible cartilaginous structure which surround the spinal cord and protect the spinal cord. So, this is the category, this is the grade, this is the criteria of basis of classification. Now we start the phylum wise. So, this is the animal kingdom divided into non-chordata and chordata. So, in non-chordata, which is various phylum, Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminths, Escalminths, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and in chordata, so Hemichordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. So, these are the various phylum in non-chordata and chordata. One we discuss. So, Porifera, here is the Porifera. So, Porifera means porous body, pore bearing body, spore ko, this is called ostia, this is and big pore is called ossiculum. Cellular grade of organization, asymmetric body, not different, divided into two equal half, loose aggregate form, it is very loosely arranged. Specialized choanocyte cells are present on the endoderm layer, choanoderm, and having the canal system. So, this is the canal system, Ascon type, Sycon type and Lecon type. Next, reproduction, both asexual and sexual. Internal fertilization takes place and cross fertilization. Cross fertilization is a type of fertilization where the gamete comes out through the pore ostia and goes into the another poriferans like sponges and get fertilized with the female gamete. This is called cross fertilization. It is a peculiar character. So, and having the larva. So, there are two type of larva, parenchyma, amphiblastula. Parenchyma larva is solid larva and amphiblastula is hollow larva. And then coeloblastula form, hollow type of blastula is coeloblastula and is contain Sycon, Leucoselenia, Euplaxella, Euspongia, Spongilla. So, this is all about related to the porifera. Next, Coelenterata and Ctenophora. Coelenterata, tissue grade of nation, nidoplast, specialized defense or offense system. System cells present is nidoblast or is attacking the prey, and first next character is radial symmetry, only one plane, any plane used to divide into two body epidermis and gastrodermis. In between epidermis, gastrodermis contain a gastrovascular cavity, and having the in between epidermis and gastrodermis, mesogalia, a non-cellular structure is present called mesogalia, and mainly diploblastics. Nerve networks are present, both external and internal digestion takes place, reproduction both asexual and sexual, budding, mainly budding asexual in body, fertilization both external and internal, larva called planula and ephyra larva. In Ctenophora, nudoblast cells are absent, bioluminescent light emitting sexual reproductions, only sexual reproduction, larva is called sedip larva, also called animals called gooseberry sea walnut having 8 comb-like structure. This is present. Example is Ctenoplana. Next, platyhelminths, flatworm, organ-grade organization, triploblastic, blind sac body plant, mostly parasites होते हैं, few are living organisms like planaria. Excretion flame cells, flickering cells are which having the cilia which help in the removal of the waste. Anaerobic respiration, mostly parasites. Blind sac body plant, only one opening. Ladder like nerves, ladder like structure. Circulatory system absent because mostly are anaerobic parasitic, and reproduction well developed larva. So, mainly in tapeworm there are 3 types of larva: oncophore, hexacanth and cysticercus, or in fasciola or liver fluke. 5 types of larval stages: Miracidium, Sporosis, Radia, Carcharia, Metacarcharia larva. So, this is platyhelminth. Next, Aschelminthus. Aschelminth, organ system grade of organization, pseudocoelom. So, pseudocoeloms, mesoderm float in the space, mostly parasites having cuticles. So, it is a mostly endoparasites. So, having developed the cuticle layer over the surface, body surface, this cuticle which secrete anti-digestive enzyme and prevent from it. So, its a peculiar character is only LML, longitudinal muscles layer, which help in movement, and it is unisexual fertilization. Internal sensory organ is phasmid, amphid and papilla. Larva is called rabitiforms larva, Ascaris mainly. So, there is a differentiation. Unisexual structure, male and females are different, separate. And Annelida, ecolomic body. In Annelida, ecolomic body. In Annelida, ecolomic body. Metamerism, segmented body, both external and internal. And in peculiar characters are both LML and CML, longitudinal muscles layer and circular muscles layer. Next, blood vascular system, RBC absent, but hemoglobin directly dissolved in blood plasma, hemoglobin. Nerve system, nerve ring and nerve cord. Nerve cords are ventral, solid, double and appear single. Digestive system complete. Nephridia, excretory organ. Setae and parapodia is the locomotory organ. Setae present in earthworm, parapodia present in Nereis. Trochophore larva. Next is arthropoda. So, main peculiar character exoskeleton. So, it is a cuticle developed. Segmentation, blood viscous system, pigment absent, nerve cells, nerve ring, nerve cord, solid, double, nerve cord, body divided into head, thorax, abdomen, respiration by reproduction, internal, excretion by Malpighian tubule, green gland, coxal gland, etc. Respiration by gills and trachea, also book gills and book lungs. So, next is mollusca, soft body divided into the head, hump, foot. Radula, it is a rasping organ present, radula, buccal cavity in buccal cavity region, and the sensory organ aspheradium, digestive system complete, and larvae are trochophore, glochidium and veliger larva. So, this is in mollusca. Main animals are octopus, pila, sepia, aplysia, dentalium. These are Echinodermata, spine body, radial symmetry, water vascular system present. Water vascular, it is a specialized ambulacral system having the tube feet and water received through the metroporoid, and filtering device also contain called Tiedemann body. Respiration and locomotion through tube feet, and it is a specialized process. Evisceration takes place when the phrygtic condition is removed out visceral organ and few echinoderms are become dead. Hemichordata, body divided into proboscis, collar, trunk, or having open circulatory system. Excretory organ is proboscis gland. So, this is all about of non-chordata. Now, come to the chordata. Chordata, which is divided into 3 group: Urochordata, cephalo and vertebrata. Urochordata, notochord present in tail region, retrogressive metamorphosis, and notochord disappear in adult condition. Cephalochordata, both notochord present both adult and embryonic stage, notophores. So this is cephalochordata. So in cephalochordata, notochord extend from tail to head. Vertebrata divided into agnatha and gnatha. Agnatha, jawless and jaw. Jawless is cyclostomata, circular mouth, and come under petromyzon and hack fishes. Gnathostomata divided into on the basis of skin, Pisces having scales, amphibia moist skin, Reprodia dry skin, and Avis skin with purges, and Mammalia skin with hair. So Pisces aquatic animals, scales present, lateral line system present, fins present, specialized organ system developed. Amphibia moist skin, tetrapoda, first land terrestrial animals, life cycles or reproductive cycle takes place in water. Reptiles, dry skin, cold blooded animals. Apes, specialized character having beak, wings, four limbed deployment of wings. Pneumatic bones, specialized organ, four chambered warm blooded mammalia. Mammalia possess mammary gland, hair, sebaceous gland and sweat gland. Diaphragm, peculiar character, 12 player cranial nerves, 4 chamber heart, metanephric kidney, developed from nervous system, having brain, spinal cord, brain which is divided into right and left brain, connected through the cerebral corpus callosum, and in mid region quadrigemina are present. So this is the peculiar character of mammals. So all about related to the, it is animal kingdom. So in one short lecture we will